Hard to cut a straight line when the saw is not even straight.
Hey, I'm Jackie from So Bright Home, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make something really fun out of all scrap material. And if you like this video, check our channel for other DIY home and craft projects.
Yeah, I'm just trying to kind of mark the line.
I started out with a scrap piece of cedar 1x6, and I was away from home at the time, so I just used this handsaw to cut it. But if you have power tools, by all means go ahead and use them. And then I used my battery powered Craftsman sander, and I gave the whole thing a really quick sand with 150 grit sandpaper.
Way?
Yeah.
Oh, that's stainless. Stainless is hard to cut. Want me to give it a shot?
Hang on. Next scrap thing I'm using is this scrap piece of metal. I cut it down to size and then spray painted it black. I grabbed this scrap piece of 1/4 inch dowel and I just marked it about the same size as the metal piece, and then use the handsaw and cut it. I like to do this little trick with my sander where I flip it upside down and then can sand edges like this a little bit easier. Then I use these scrap pieces of leather, and old leather belts, by the way, make really good scrap pieces of leather. I put a screw in there to make the hole, and then I took it out and I found these springs in our junk drawer, and I put them in because I needed to make it a little bit higher. I could have also used screws that were taller, and I put it all together here, and then I could put the wood dowel and this receipt paper through. I drilled some holes in the metal at the bottom there and then put screws in, and I did loosen them off a little bit because you don't want it super tight. You could also put washers underneath to make a bit of a space between the board and the metal, and then I just put the receipt paper roll all the way through.
What are you making, Mommy?
Where did that come from?
I put a command strip on the back and then put it up by our coffee bar, and now I have a cute little to-do list that I made out of scrap materials. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Okay, friend, that's a wrap. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.